the success of Dilwale, King Khan Shah Rukh Khan says he'd love to cast with Kajol again if an interesting and mature love story comes their way. As per sources, Shah Rukh Khan told, if there is a nice film, if it's interesting and different, maybe a mature love story, that would be nice. From Bajigar to Karan Arjun, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge to Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham, Kajol and SRK have turned out to be one of the Bollywood's most beloved on-screen couples. Without brushing off the popularity that they enjoy as a jodi, and while explaining the magic that they recreate on-screen each time, Shah Rukh Khan said, when we have done films together, people have really liked them. Even if they are of different genres, you can't ignore that. But I think one magic cannot be explained. Secondly, lot of credit goes to the people who have made the films with us. And the most of the credit goes to the audience, which for years has appreciated us.